start with the Dow this morning. I've put the Elliott count on this particular chart. So we've got the ABC here, ABC, around 3,000 points down, followed by another ABC, which counts as a B wave, or maybe part of a B wave, although it's quite a big correction. It's 70% of the original fall. So having seen an A and a B, it looks like we're due a C. So a flat correction takes us down to around the level of the low, around 24,000 plus. It was another 3,000 points down. That would be about 23,200. So no real change there. The actual shorter term pattern, this looks like a complete 5 in itself. So this could be an A with a B and a C at the moment. However, of course, a breakthrough here would change that quite dramatically. So here's the clear ABCs, the 15-minute chart. A, B, C. And this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's all a bit dithery again. I mean, that is a 5 because in ABC now, a weak ABC rally, and then one more sell-off. 6633, the system I'm using, has done fairly well after this move here, and on the DAX as well this morning. But the longer term position is unclear. I mean, no change of view. I think we're either peaked or we're peaking. The potential is to the downside, not to the upside. So a sharp sell-off at any point would be no surprise at all. Having said that, market can easily make new highs as well. But I think the scope for movement above new highs is, I think, very limited. Alright, the DAX I think is a little bit more promising. We've got this big A, B, C, with A and C roughly equivalent at the levels shown. As such, that could be either a complete correction, i.e. it's over, or it could be wave A of a bigger correction, i.e. the next rally to be feeble and we'll see another sell-off. So let's go down to the point of C and see what's been happening since then. Right, well, since the low, it came in down here, around 11,050. This is definitely a very corrective formation up to there. Similarly, A, B, C, A wave, B wave, C wave, not necessarily over yet, but obviously very close to the key support level. So I think overall it's more likely we're going to see a bounce here in a C wave. We're of course getting into the Xmas period, so a Christmas rally for a few weeks, only about 3 or 4 weeks left really, would be of some note. Let's have a look at the very short term action. Well, this doesn't really give us any kind of clue at all. It's only been going for an hour or two, so I mean, it could be an ABC, but it could be the beginning of something more positive. ABC would be to there really. Interesting that the very sharp action yesterday, the day after expiry, particularly on the Dow actually, but DAX had a fairly solid sell-off as well. I guess this could be a selling opportunity in fact, very even shorter term. We're looking at this 1 minute chart. These charts can be useful sometimes, I don't use very often I guess, but there's a 1, 2, possible 3, 4, with the 5 developing there. So a bit of a rally here could be a good selling opportunity. Obviously with a stop up here, so that could be a very good short term sell off in case we do go to new lows. That would be quite interesting. Well, looking at FTSE, we have a clear ABC, A, B, C, and we have an impulsive move here, followed by a clear correction, A, B, C, down to the 61.8% level, slightly below it, and we're trying to bounce at the moment. Let's look at the short term. So right now, looking at the action since there, we've got an A, then a B, then a C, quite a large, quite a sharp C, but it looks like a corrective formation, so that could well see new lows by the looks of it. Right, gold, no change here, so kind of this is a 1, 2, 1, A, B, C, 2, but this rally still needs to hit new highs to confirm that, but I'm currently long as I said before, so no real change at all. Those want to go long. The spread bet, you've got a little stop there around 12.20, sorry, 12.18 thereabouts, or 11.95 obviously is the main point. Possible. Let's have a look at in more detail that rally. It does look fairly impassive. I mean, that's a 1, perhaps 1, 2, 1, ABC 2, maybe a 3 to there, 4, possible 5, a complete wave 3. So another correction perhaps, another rally, give us 5 waves up from the low down here, followed by a correction. That might set the scene for a much stronger move to come in a few days' time. Alright, finally Bitcoin, off the top 20,000, it went down to around 6,000, so that's a fall of about 70%. We then saw, it's quite hard to count this, but corrections can be difficult. It could be an A, maybe an ABC B, and then a C. So that counts as the entire B wave. So A to here, B to here, then an A, a triangular B, and now a C. So you have 70% off 8,490. Right, so taking 70% off 8,490 gets around to almost exactly 2,500. So let's have a look at the wave pattern and see what that will tell us. Okay, so let's take the apex, well, this bit there as the beginning of the final C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to there, followed by an A, B, C, 2 wave. So now in wave 3, the A wave took us from around 6.3 down to 5.2, so that's about 1,100 points. Yes, I mean it sort of works out. It looks like a sort of bit more downside here, a bit of a blip up to around 4, up to 4,000, 4.2, followed by another sell-off down to around 3,000. We'll seem to fit in quite well with that overall scenario. So I guess that's currently my my thought on this. That could then lead to a significant low, which is what I'm expecting, but of course we're looking into the future, which is largely uncertain, as I'm sure you all know. Anyway, that'll do our call today. Financial News will back and forth on Thursday morning. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye.